Imagine this place, guys. What do you think about it? I don't know that it's a company here. Maybe it's a company because here in Mckeni, they are going to change it. They are going to change this location to bring it in the company areas. And let me check out again that my rent is not is good because the rain is still raining. Here, which is they're doing well in the marketplace here again. It looks quite well again. It looks like a new one. As you see, yeah, man. So let's keep moving up again, guys. You need to use this lot. Even it's been a long time without passing through here. But let's keep going, guys. Let me feel that my brake is good. Yeah, man, it's fine, bro. Again, the lens. Check it out. If there's no showers at the glass. Turn again. Shock me is for sale. Yeah, let me check it out again. Whew. Welcome back again to this channel. It's your boy Joyous Traveler. Today we're gonna make it cycling in Mckeni. You know, Mckeni is one of the beautiful city which is located in the Kanyama constituency, and again it's located in Lusaka, the capital city of Zambia. Yeah, in short, we are here in Zambia making this cycling, but the weather looks like rain is going to rain. Yeah, I don't know that I can manage to round the all places just because I'm using my bicycle. I know that a lot of people was complaining about what I promised them, but for the beautiful God, yeah, we are back again to cycling together. So guys, in case you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel so that every time when I drop something, you'll be the first to get my notifications. Yeah, of course, guys. Without wasting your time, let's go and keep see together what is inside of this place. You know that we are going to meet a lot of things like marketplaces and a lot of constructions which is still under construction. Yeah, and we are going to see a lot of kind of things which is hidden in this Mckeni. Let's keep going, guys, and let's do it sharp. We see how it is. Maybe you are watching me from a different country or outside of this country. You can comment again in the comment section and tell me what you want to see here in Zambia. These days I don't get tired because I'm using my bicycle. You see a lot of shops here which is they're doing well in the marketplace here again. It looks quite well again. It looks like a new one, as you see. Yeah, man. So let's keep moving up again, guys. You need to use this lot. Even it's been a long time without passing through here, but let's keep going, guys. Let me feel that my brake is good. Yeah, man, it's fine, bro. Was testing my brake. Brake is quite well, guys. And my bicycle again is not in tight. It's not quite well. It feels like need service. But no matter how it is, we need to record. You get right here. Wow, it's a place. Yeah, we are nearby Kankore Road, and again, nearby the town of Lusaka, just because where I'm recording this video to the town or downtown, it's like 5 kilometers away from there, from the town to this location where I'm recording right now. Big farm over here. I don't know that you hear what my bike is doing down. It feels like it's something which is making a noise like clack, 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 clack. But we keep going. They are building a warehouse. I don't know that it's a warehouse. If it's not a warehouse, maybe they are going to build the company, because here in Mckeni again, I see a lot of companies which is built here. Like this one is the biggest one, because when you come here in the morning early, you find a lot of trucks here coming to take a good from here to there. And maybe this road they built it just because of these companies. Yes. This guy don't know how to run away, man. Yeah, another place is here, beautiful one again. Yeah, don't know what is going on to be here. Yeah. Road is under construction, guys. We need to be careful in order to pass through here. Yeah, it looks like we are going to entering through this place where we are going to enter. It looks like there is nothing, but we are going to be wow. I was saying that this place where we are passing through, it looks like there is nothing inside, but you are going to be shocked, guys. You shocked after you see what is inside there. It looks like a shortcut. That's why government, I don't know that it's a government, or maybe it's a private company, or maybe it's all managers who are doing this, the business in this location, who are trying to make a beautiful road, because when they will make it to help them to bring their good in this location in a safe way. And that's the road, guys. I don't know how my camera is checked. I don't know how is the stabilization, but I think and I hope that is so good. You tell me in the comment section. Yes. Okay. Again and again. Yeah. This video is going again to be wrong one, because I'm going to spend a long minute just because there is a lot of things here which is gonna taking a long time to record in this place. And I think that you see at the front, so it looks again quite well. That's why I have told you that this place, when I get there, you need to be shocked. You'll be shocked, guys. There is a lot of things which is there inside. Yeah, that's why we need to record it all. Imagine this place, guys. What do you think about it? I don't know that it's a company here. Maybe it's a company because here in Mckeni, they are going to change it. They are going to change this location to bring it in the company areas. And let me check out again that my rain is good because the rain is still raining. And then we are going to finish this video at Mckeni Buyuni School. This is where we are going to end this video, guys. We'll pass through Zafu Road, Zafu College Road. Yeah, I need to go opposite here because where I'm going to turn on the left side, the right side, okay? It's nearby here. But I don't know why this place is not developed anymore. This road, especially here in Mangoin, nothing has been changed in almost 10 years. Why Africans are we like this? We are just waiting for the white people to come to develop this place. No, we need to do it as ourselves, because even as we can. Then I'll give you the beautiful of Africa, because it's very important. Trees for sale here. I don't know that it's even showers with the palm here. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know that there is a tarmac. Yeah, no tarmac here. Still the same. But the place here looks quite well here at the side here. As you see, guys, it looks amazing. Okay. Total energy drink. Sorry, total energy filling station. Total energy. Big company here in Africa. I don't know that even in Europe or America or Asia, this company is there. But here in Africa, many countries, they use Total Energy and the Puma. Yeah. So guys, we are going to end this video like in 5 minutes left. And for turn there, let me clean again the lens, check it out if there's no showers at the glass. Turn again. Shock meal is for sale. Yeah, let me check it out again. My range is good. And again, after this video, I'll give you another videos. I'll record at Johnny Renge site. Johnny Reng is a combo which is named Johnny Reng. Johnny Reng. We'll record the next one after this. I think that even this one is to be amazing. Even Johnny Reng is a combo, but it's good. We'll use it to pass it through the tarmac in order to see how we can reduce the congestion, because I have never gone inside of that combo. Yeah. I've never go there. Yeah, this is Zaf College gate where I was told you, and the opposite side there is Shakespeare College School. Is it Shakespeare College? Let's keep going. And I was saying, in order to record it well in the at the Johnny Reng combo, I'll passing through between at the car tarmac, which is going straight to the Cafe Road. I can't entering inside of the Cafe Road because I've done that places, and if you want to keep showing you this video, you can keep supporting me to share this video to your friends. Maybe even them, they can like it. We have almost get at Mckeni Buyuni. You see the project here is good. If you know this place, you know this place. Let me remind you, this is Sidco side. They are building another big companies there. And here again, you see, it looks quite well, guys. Yeah, I like this place. I love it. Love it. They improved it. To build something like this, I don't know that it's going to be a mall, but it's it's a kind of market. Yeah, nice work. And again, the showers are starting to placing again. There is a big garage here. This garage looks too small, but you can't believe that they assemble something inside of this. And guys, let me say, we are closing this video. This side is Mckeni Buyuni school, primary and the secondary school, and we are going to end this video, guys. Shout out for everyone who makes effort to share this video and to watch this video. I love you so much. Keep supporting my channel. I'll keep appreciate. Love you more. Bye, guys. See you next time.